Alright, I wanted to provide a quick little update on the GS650G project. We've had it for 2 weeks. I spent a little bit of money on eBay. I spent a couple hours every night after work and a little bit of elbow grease, and this is where we're at. I don't know if you can see I'm outside here because I really wanted to show that this tank does have some sort of metal flake to it. I've put 124 miles on it. I know I said I was going to start it for the first time, but I had to get it running well. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it so far. Let's start it up, see if it'll start. Okay, obviously it's been warmed up. It's pretty cold-blooded. It's got a manual choke. But yeah, once it's running and warmed up, it runs really well. I'm real happy with it. I do have a throttle cable for it. It's got a little brake here. I think I may have mentioned that. But I think to change the throttle cable, I have to remove the carbs. And I don't want to do that right now because I really want to ride this. So this bike's all original except the seat's been recovered. For the blinker lens, I did find a new old stock, original Suzuki part. Same with the throttle cable. The air cleaner's an aftermarket, but all in all, I'm real pleased, and it rides really well. So there we are. That's where we are right now with the bike, and it's a beautiful day. I'm going to take it for another ride. Give me that thumbs up if you like the Suzuki GS650G.